Oh, look at the pretty colors there.
Thunder rolls.
We got thunder rolling. This is the, oh, the dogs are going crazy. They don't like the thunder.
Before the hurricane.
Yeah, this is the leading edge of the hurricane coming up to southern Illinois. You can see the rain hitting the pond. You can hear the rain hitting the leaves overhead. And the dogs don't like the, here, the dogs are going crazy. They do not like the thunder. They're going nuts in here. Yes, I did. I'll move over here. Got some really, there's sunshine coming from the west, lighting up the tops of the trees on the east of the house here. Very pretty. Oh, and look at the pecan up there. Beautiful. That sunlight right now is golden coming from the west. And our poor dogs, my gosh, dogs are getting scared.
I think it's time to put them in.
Okay, I'm going to quit here. I need to get out here and be right out there with the dogs. Color's fading fast. The sun is, I think the sun has just set. Color is fading fast. Isn't that lovely? That rose color in the sky way down south there. And we have some thunder roll in here. That was a long streak. Okay, I'm gonna get back in before I get struck by lightning.